Atlanta, Georgia. Are you ready? It's time for your Alcorn State University Sounds of Dyn-O-mite Marching Band. Let's give it up. Drum majors for this evening's performance. From Natchez, Mississippi, Montero, Babyface Bolden. From Fayette, Mississippi, Jeremy Too Smooth Matthews. From Gulfport, Mississippi, Curtis the Purple Knight Wright. Last but not least, pushing Too Smooth K's. From Vicksburg, Mississippi, Javante Too Short Titus. The Alcorn State University Sounds of Dyn-O-mite, the Soul Patrol of the Purple and Gold, the show band of the Southland, located at the oldest HBCU land-grant institution, is Alcorn State University, the academic resort where the grass is greener, the air is cleaner, and the water is just a little bit sweeter. The band will drill to Uptown Funk by Mark Robinson featuring Bruno Mars. Funk you up. Uh-oh, you know what's coming next. The sassy, the sexy, the bold, and the beautiful, the Greens and Cornbread Band, performing to Coming With You by Neo, the amazing Golden Girl. Break it down. Give it up! All right, folks, it's time for that dance routine. So if you know the tune, get up and get out. Come on, sounds of Dyn-O-mite. Hey! Ow! The band is under the direction of Dr. Ronaldo Murray, Assistant Director of Bands, the hardest working man in the swag, Everson Martin, band sponsor and coordinator, Snowbia Rogers, band staff, Brian Stern, Steve Harper, and yours truly, Assistant Band Director, Melton Harvey. This has been another production from the Reservation Crew, and we're out of here.